good? It's your boy Ron, and today's topic is thirst. I be thirsty every day. I'm a man. I'ma keep it 100. I be thirsty, but the thing is, as a man, you have to learn how to control your thirst. You know, I may see a girl with a fat butt, and I know some of y'all watching this. Ron, the gentleman, Ron, you said fat butt. Fat butt. It's not a bad word. I'm just being real with y'all. See a girl with a fat butt. Now, this is how you control your thirst. You may look at that fat butt, but you don't pursue the fat butt. You just appreciate the beauty of the booty and you keep moving. You know what I'm saying? You contain your thirst. You just soak in the thirst and you just relax. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to chase the booty every time. You know what I'm saying? Because most of the time it's lust anyway. Because if you look at her booty and then you chase after, you're chasing booty mainly. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, you must control your thirst. I see some dudes, man, they just lose their mind when they see a girl. Right when they see them, immediately, they're running up to them, all up their armpit, just all in they, just everywhere. It's all up on them. You don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? Control it. If you control your thirst, things are way better. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what girls want. Girls know they be looking good. Girls know they be dressed in them super tight pants where they can barely breathe. You know what I'm saying? Just suffocating their booty cheeks. They know we like that. So, with that being said, since they know we like it, we must not show them that we're real thirsty. You know what I'm saying? I actually pulled a girl one time because I ignored her. And she was like, oh my gosh, guys normally don't ignore me like that. This is not normal, blah, blah, blah. She's retarded. But anyways, yeah, so I'm like, yeah, whatever. But the whole time I was looking. But I didn't be so thirsty. I stayed. I handled my thirst very well. I didn't say anything. I didn't make no movements. I didn't do anything. I just sat there. I observed. And I went about my business. That's all I'm trying to tell you, man. It's not hard to control your thirst. Like I said, I'm a man. We look at women because we like women. But if you gay, you looking at men, but we're not talking about that. So this is not for you gay people. I have nothing against gay people. So yeah, don't take offense to that. But anyways, that's all I'm saying. It's just a quick message, man. You must not surrender to the booty every time. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to. But it's your boy Ron. I'm out.